Good morning.
Good morning.
We're back again
I know.
in Sunshine Coast. So this
Two
is
mosquitoes.
day three for me in Sunshine Coast. And today we are going to go to Glass House Mountains. And which is the other place?
Corn close.
Okay.
It's just really close.
Okay.
And
And see how we are also twining in almost
Exactly.
the same shades. And this was randomly picked as well.
We are twins.
Difference twining.
Twining. And twining.
Okay. So that's the plan for today, and then we will have a drive for around what? How far is Glass House Mountains?
It's about an hour.
13.
It's about an hour's drive, I
I
think.
think it's 30 kilometers or so, not much. And then we're going to have lunch over there, which is
In the
this
Lookout.
Cafe. That's
Cafe.
it's rated quite high. Let's go and see what is there. Okay, ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye.
See you.
We are here at the Glass House Mountains. Now, there are 12 individual mountains that make up the Glass House Mountains. This area is considered spiritually significant with many ceremonial sites protected. And also in the indigenous mythology, it is believed that these mountains are related to one another. And it's a perfect place for hiking. The steps.
here.
हम जा रहे हैं. Now where we are going, we are just going to all up there. That's where we are going to go down.
Yeah.
तो अब हम वापस चल रहे हैं. What do you say, madam? कैसा था हमारा ट्रैकिंग?
जबरदस्त.
2 मिनट का ट्रैकिंग
2
हुआ.
मिनट का ट्रैकिंग. जबरदस्त.
देखो हम चल रहे हैं. टोटो टोटो. So we went all the way up. How far did we go? We went just right up there. And now we are back on our way. Here you go. Hey, hey.
Nice place, yeah. We think it's
You did ask them.
Oh, how cute! What is it?
A bird.
I know. I can.
A budgie.
A budgie.
A bird.
Oh, gorgeous.
They asked for